Babes, if you are looking for a way to reduce hair breakage or excessive shedding, do well to stay to this channel. I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to make cloves hairspray for your hair, and I'm emphasizing on cloves. Cloves is very important if you want to grow your hair with natural ingredients and herbs. Cloves is something that you have to be using it consistently, else you may not see the result. And if you use it wrongly, you're not going to see the good effect of it. So in this video, we are doing a potent hairspray using only cloves, just cloves. And we'll be using 2 teaspoons of cloves with about 250 ml of hot water. You can decide to use normal room temperature water and allow it to sit for long, or just use hot water and infuse it for about 15 minutes and leave it there to infuse. Guys, if you have used cloves on your hair before, you can attest to this. Cloves can thicken your hair. It can make your hair very strong. It can really make your hair reduce breakage. If you are experiencing excessive breakage, you can use cloves to reduce breakage on your hair. So yeah, I leave it down to steep for about 15 minutes, and you can tell a big difference, like the color has changed. This is a quick recipe that is not going to last you even 2 minutes to make. That is if you have other things to do. As soon as you leave it down to steep, you can go and do your other things and just come back and strain it. Cloves has antimicrobial properties that is able to strengthen the hair. It's also able to protect your scalp from dandruff and other scalp related issues. When you are done, just transfer it into your spray bottle and use it on your scalp every day. Do well to follow up with an oil or butter in order not to dry out your hair so much. Let me know what you think about this video. Is this something you'll be making? This is a quick recipe that you can try at home anytime. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.